Why don't more homes in the US install baseboards like this? Trimming curved walls is a nightmare. So he starts by sticking strips of duct tape directly onto the floor. It looks random, but there's a reason. He applies adhesive to the trim and presses it against the wall. But here's the problem. How do you clamp it tight without using nails? Here's the trick. He glues small wood blocks onto the tape. Then he sprays an activator to lock them in place instantly. But he's not done yet. He drives yellow wedges between the block and the trim. No brad nailer, no clamps. Clean, simple, genius.